Firebase is constantly updating and changing its user rules and policies and so to speak. So if you go over here to rules, you will see that in the rules section you've got this read and write and these commands here, which I'm not so sure what they mean, but quite simply I think that's a comment for a start there anyway, telling you the date, and you can leave that in if you want, but I'm just going to delete this here. I'm going to leave that comma in, and I'm going to change this to true, and I'm also going to change this one here. I don't think the comma is needed in the second one. Maybe you can leave it in if you want. Put in true there as well. And so that's our rules changed. It's very important that you change these to have some problems. And don't forget to click publish. And your security rules are defined as public, so anyone can steal, modify, or delete. So that's what I'm saying. Don't ever put any proper stuff in there. Just click dismiss, and you're ready to rock and roll again.